All right, guys, so today we're taking a quick look at this nav conversion kit that I'm putting together for a customer with one of the earlier generation G35, G37, or I should say later generation G35 and earlier generation G37 cars and stuff. You can see the instruction manual that comes with it. But what's different about this kit is that this is for a non-Bose vehicle. So whereas most of the kits that I have online are for the Bose equipped cars, this one here is for a non-Bose car, and the non-Bose cars don't come with an an external amplifier. So this kit in particular will allow you to add an aftermarket amplifier, like you can see with this attachment here. And so while you're doing the conversion and upgrading, you can add that aftermarket amp that you want too. So you get like two upgrades in one. So let's just walk through the components really quick. This is not fully built yet, but again, I'm putting this together. You can see I have the primary parts built, and now I just need to stitch it all together and make it look like the kits that you're familiar with. So anyway, over here we have the USB cable that plugs into the newer head unit, and then the GPS antenna, and then down here we have, part of the primary, what's going to be the primary harness. These two pieces here. Again, this is the RCA attachment that you can see that connection there. Plugs in down here. Nice, quick, easy upgrade for audio system. Up here we have the camera cable, which also connects to what will be this. Once it's all done, that'll be labeled. That'll just plug into there. And then up top here we have the mic cable and the display cables that I've built. And this will all come together to make a nice clean setup, making for a super easy, very convenient, and very professional upgrade for you guys that want to do the nav conversion to get the newer system in your car. So whether you have a 2007 G35 sedan, a G37, or whatever, anything from that year range, 2007-09 in this case, and also the 2010 to 2015 non-Bose G37, Q40, Q60 coupe and sedan. If you have a non-Bose car and you want to upgrade it, do a nav conversion system upgrade, and potentially add an aftermarket amp to really bump up your sound system, this is the way to do it. All right, so that's just a quick look at this. And as always, thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions, comments, or whatever, feel free to drop a line and hit us up. Thanks, and you all take care.